In today's training video, we're going to show you how to use the Reach RS4 Pro Kit with the DJI Matrice 400 and the Zenmuse L3 payload to do a power line survey. This will allow you to create an accurate 3D model of the power line and its location on site. So, we've already set up our base station, our drone, and we've laid out our GCPs on site. Now, let's connect our rover to the base station and go measure our GCPs. In the Wi-Fi tab, let's first connect to our base. Open the Emlid Flow app. Select our base. Now, let's make sure it's outputting the right corrections. Base output 1 is on local NTRIP. This is for the drone. Base output 2 is on LoRa radio. This is for our rover. Now that this is set up, let's connect our rover. Back in the Wi-Fi settings, select rover. Let's open the Emlid Flow app. Select the rover. Make sure that we are getting the correct input. LoRa radio, and we are receiving corrections. Now our rover is set up. Let's open our survey. In the Silver Lake SOM test, we will now go and measure the GCPs we have already laid out. Make sure it's level when measuring. And measure our second point. Now I'm quickly going to go around and measure my other points, and I'll meet you back at the base station. So, now that we have measured our GCPs, let's start by planning our mission. In the flight route options, let's create a new route. To measure power lines, we will have to use linear route. Set our waypoints. Select the start. And the end of this route. Click the check. We will be using the L3 LiDAR mapping mode. Let's name this. We will adjust our altitude. Decrease our speed. And hit save. Let's make sure our RTK is set up correctly. In the settings, navigate to the RTK settings. Our RTK is on, and we are connected. And our corrections are within spec. Now, let's start our flight mission. And that is how you use your Reach RS4 kit and your DJI Matrice 400 with the L3 to perform a power line survey. If you like what we do here at SOM, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment if you have any questions.